Shit.
That's all right.
As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid the SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Yael from the investment team.
Alex, head of operations.
Hetz is the most promising VC in Tel Aviv.
The best place to work in Sorona.
So why did you guys choose that Yael will fly today?
Alex is the new girl.
Yael is very professional. And I recently found out that Yael plays basketball.
Yeah.
And is very, very talented.
Thank you. We will be at the top.
That's
yeah,
right.
yeah, we will.
Go ahead.
So this is definitely one of the best teams, let's face it. At Hetz, we are fast, we're precise,
Shit.
Not the most important thing, the time.
Probably a few months in Michelle.
Let's keep up that optimism. Come on, guys.
You have to really stay on track to get those first sales.
Beautiful.
Love the support.
אני צריכה לעלות. אז לצאת.
They only joined at the end of 2021 and they're already rocking it at Hetz. Nice, all the balloons. Go Yael.
Well done for getting all the balloons. That would definitely keep us in the race.
In real life, growth stage is challenging and we're looking forward to getting there, but right now we want to see you get right through it.
Where are we aiming? Where are we aiming? Somewhere in the middle. Now for the final obstacle, the IPO. Come on, we need to pick it up if we want to win it.
IPO.
איזה עף אבל לכל כיוון.
All right, guys, you've got to move fast and you've got to work together. Let's see that IPO.
And now.
Hetz gets it.
How do you guys think you did? Very well. She was amazing.
We hit the floor. Okay.
Where do you think you got on the board?
Somewhere in the middle-ish.
Let's see where you end up on that scoreboard.
Wow! Amazing. This guy's down.
What do you think you did right?
The collaboration.
Oh yeah. And not to give up, to keep going forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.